Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today for dinner we are having smash burgers. Now if you're not familiar with smash burgers, they're just really thin patties that are smashed down and they taste like them good old-fashioned hamburgers back in the days we used to get. So let's go ahead and get started. Here I have two 3-ounce little balls of 80-20. The fat ratio is perfect for these burgers. And here, now you can do whatever you want on your burger, but here I have 2 tablespoons in here of mayonnaise, and I have 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and just a little tiny squirt of mustard, and I have at the bottom here a tablespoon of pickle relish. And we'll just get this mixed up, and I'm going to make a few burgers. Now you can, like I said, you could put whatever you want on your burger. And I do have a little bit of black pepper in here. You could put a splash of hot sauce in here if you want. But like I said, mayonnaise, mustard, you want ketchup, hey, your burger, right? But meanwhile, get your cast iron or your black top, whatever you have, griddle, long as it's nice and hot, and get it ready. But do your bun first. I have a brioche bun here. I have it buttered because you want this bun ready when those burgers come off. Okay, so we'll set this out of the way, and we have some good old American cheese. It ain't a cheeseburger to me if it's not American cheese. And I made myself some grilled onions and some pickles. Now you could put whatever you want on your burger, but these are some delicious burgers. So what we're going to do first is go ahead and jump over here to the stove, and I'm going to get these burgers grilled up. And I'm doing my burgers, my smash burgers today, in my cast iron pan. So I'm going to get my buns grilled up here. Okay, guys, you can see my cast iron is smoking hot. Now, you don't want it, you want it, it's got to be nice and hot because a smash burger is basically a smashed burger, and it's going to be very thin, and it's going to cook really fast, probably within 2 minutes, two and a half minutes. I mean, it's not a burger that's going to be cooked, slow, or it's going to be cooked quick. So you want this pan hot, okay? And here's my buns. These are toasted enough, hot. Those look pretty, see there? These are those brioche buns. You use whatever bun you have. Okay, we'll get this over here on the plate and get it ready. Now we're going to bring our meat here, and we're going to put this in the pan there and set them in there. Now this pan is hot. Hear that sizzle? Now make sure you have a big enough pan because we are going to smash those down and they're going to spread out. So what I'm going to do here is get me my spatula here. And I'm going to get you a piece of parchment paper. And I did lightly oil this pan and just start smashing it down. Let me get me another spatula here. I want this really thin. Now, if you have them little fancy hamburger press, go ahead and use one of those and just get those edges really good. And I'll continue to press these down. All right, I got those all pressed down good. Now we're going to go in with just a little bit of salt. I don't like no seasonings, nothing else, just salt. Salt and pepper. Just a little bit, because that cheese on there has that salty taste, so you don't want to overly salt your burger. Now, you can see here, when it starts browning really well around the edges, we're going to flip that. And we should have a nice crust on that. Now, when you press them, You want to make sure you press them at least a good 10 seconds. Hold that press on there. And we'll get a nice crust and get you a nice thin spatula. That way we can dig up underneath there and get that crust, because you want that crust that's building on the bottom of this pan. So you can see they're ready. So I'm going to just go around it if it starts sticking a little bit. See there? Look at that nice crust on that burger. Where's my cheese? Now you put much as cheese as you want on your burger. Now I'm going to turn my stove off here. Because that pan is smoking hot. Okay, and we'll let that cheese do its thing there. Now I like to take the burgers out and let them rest on a plate. That way all those juices that come, even though you think it's being pressed, it's not going to be juicy. It will be. So that cheese is getting nice and melty. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these. They are done. You guys see that there? And we're just going to let these hang out here for a minute and we'll get that burger built. Okay, we're going to go ahead and build our burger. Now you put whatever, like I said, on your burger. Here's some of that sauce. Put a good sized teaspoon on there, I guess. And we're going to do some pickles. Now, these are hot pickles. Okay. I meant to stack my burgers when they came out and forgot, but we'll go ahead and get these on there. See that nice crust that formed around those? And you could put lettuce, tomato, whatever you want on it. Got some grilled onion. You could do raw onion. Leave the onion out. It's your burger. Okay. Now I'm going to put the bun on it, and we're going to get a taste of that burger. Don't that look good, guys? Look at that nice, gooey cheese on there. But let's go ahead and taste it. Alrighty, guys, there's the finished burger. Don't that look good? I got my Ryan, my oldest son here. He's gonna try it with y'all. Go ahead, Ryan. Try that burger. Yes, sir.
Good.
Is it good? He got that sucker all smashed down there. See there how thin those patties are? And those grilled onions. It's really a good burger, guys. I hope you enjoy it. And to all my new subscribers, I thank y'all and help get me out there and share. And it's ketchup and mustard and relish.
It's good.
You like it? It's pretty good, huh? But like I was telling them, they could put whatever they want on it. But as I said, thank you to all the new subscribers. Help get me out there and share. And I thank all of you guys for watching. And make you a good old-fashioned smash burger. They are delicious. You guys stay blessed. Bye-bye.